If you are struggling with stubborn belly fat, then this one simple morning drink can help boost fat burning naturally throughout the day. And today, I will clearly explain how it works and how to prepare it correctly. Welcome to Health-O-Matic, a YouTube channel offering health education, natural remedies, and lifestyle suggestions for a healthier life. Our goal is to simplify health topics so you can make better daily choices and live a healthier, more energetic life. Belly fat is not just about overeating. In most people, belly fat is caused by poor digestion, insulin resistance, inflammation, and stress hormones. That is why exercise and dieting alone often fail. But this simple morning drink helps target all these root causes. Now let's prepare this powerful belly fat burning morning drink. Ingredients: 1 glass of warm water, half lemon juice, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, a small pinch of cinnamon powder. How to prepare: add lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, and cinnamon into warm water. Mix well and drink it slowly on an empty stomach. Now let's understand why this drink works. Lemon improves digestion and detoxification. Apple cider vinegar improves insulin sensitivity and helps control blood sugar. Cinnamon boosts metabolism and reduces fat storage. Together, this drink helps activate fat burning, reduce bloating, and control hunger. Now listen carefully to how to use it correctly for best results. Drink this every morning on an empty stomach. Wait at least 20 minutes before eating breakfast. Follow this routine daily for at least 21 days. Again, remember this simple routine: warm water, lemon, apple cider vinegar, and cinnamon. Every morning, consistently for 21 days. If followed regularly along with healthy eating and light physical activity, this drink can definitely support belly fat reduction and better metabolism. Want faster results? Check the trusted natural fat-burning solutions in the description below. At Health-O-Matic, we share simple, science-based natural health tips to help you build a healthier lifestyle step by step. If this video helped you, subscribe to Health-O-Matic and click the bell icon for more powerful health remedies and lifestyle tips. Also, comment fat loss and share this video with someone who is trying to lose belly fat.